Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are on the hunt for the best pink Amazon wedding dress, around $50. Now I recently went to one of my best friend's wedding and her theme was pink. She absolutely loves pink and I definitely wanted to fit the vibe. Now I picked up 4 or 5 of these as well as a shawl. Everything will be linked down below. This is the first one that I tried on and I absolutely loved the orchid color. Because it is September, it was a little bit more dusty than the rest of them and I really loved the simple silhouette, especially the back. Now the one thing I thought was challenging about this dress is that it does have some pleating along the chest, so if you are going to wear it, please know you do have to iron it. Now this is the second dress that I tried on and I really liked this one as well. Overall, I think I picked really great options, not to toot my own horn. But they were just kind of simple, easy breezy, not too many bells and whistles, not gonna steal any show, and they felt flirty, fun, and lovelily pink. Now, this one was actually a sleeper. I thought I wasn't gonna like this as much as I did, and overall, I really liked the silhouette. I love the square back, but that it's still kind of empire waist, and I loved that it was kind of a convertible dress, so you could wear it with either the shoulder straps on your shoulders or to the side and have kind of a more cutesy, dainty moment. Okay, next up, this is the one that I thought I was gonna love the most. I think this is definitely the most forgiving one. It has the most opportunity to, play around with the sizes. You can adjust the straps, you can adjust the waist belts, cinch it in a little bit more or let it out a little bit more or not even wear it. And it does have this really lovely flow towards the bottom when you spin around, which is absolutely chef's kiss. Now last up, this was a really expensive looking dress. I definitely thought this one looked like it was a couple $100s at least, and I thought it was really forgiving. The fabric is the thickest of all that I tried on, which definitely gave that vibe of it being a little bit more expensive, and it had some really cool details like the bow on the shoulder, the slit, and the ruching on the side. Overall, I think I really liked all of these dresses. Can you guess which one I ended up going with? Let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you try any of these and if you love them or if you hate them or if you have some other ideas. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.